So I'm back with part 2 of my Middle Eastern series. So this is my baba ganoush. Now, let's get saucy. Hey foodie friends, so baba ganoush is a pureed eggplant kind of dip, which is absolutely amazing. And so first thing I did was I got my eggplant started. So let me show you what I did there. All right, foodie friends, so for my baba ganoush, I have one kind of medium-sized, smallish to medium-sized eggplant here. I am going to just trim this top end off. And I don't have a gas burner or a grill, so I'm gonna do this in the oven. I've got my oven at 425. I'm gonna just split my eggplant in half here, and I'm going to get some salt and pepper on there. And then I'm also gonna do some olive oil and olive oil on my pan over here too. And I'm gonna brush that on so that our eggplant doesn't stick. Just get it nice and oiled up. And then that's gonna go in my 425 oven, and that's gonna go in for, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes until the outside is kind of charred and it's cooked all the way through. And you see I've got this kind of broiler pan here, and it's got some holes in it. So that's gonna allow some of the excess moisture to drip down off of the eggplant so that we don't have it too much water too much water in this baba ganoush. So, and once that's done, we'll finish it up with all the other stuff. Right, and this is the eggplant after it was roasted in the oven. It's got some beautiful char marks on it. So I'm gonna just scoop this out into my food processor. You don't want the skin, you just want the beautiful inside, and that kind of charred part of the flesh is really nice. It's gonna give some great flavor to our baba ganoush. So this is just gonna be a small batch. I've only got one eggplant. You could do, a larger batch if you wanted to, but I didn't want to do too much because it's just me and my husband. So all of this in here, so beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. It smells so good. That charred eggplant smells so good. Right, so that's in there. We're gonna go in with a little bit of tahini. Now, if you wanted to leave a little bit more texture here, you could just do this with a fork and a bowl. That's totally fine, but I like it to be a really kind of smooth, creamy dip. So, and a little bit of lemon juice in here, touch of cumin. And then we'll get this started. Ah, it smells good. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here now. And some salt and pepper. A pinch of salt, a couple of grinds of cracked pepper. Just a little taste and see if it needs any more. Maybe a little bit more cumin. And let's scotch more lemon juice. Pinch of salt. Delicious. All right, pop this in a little bowl. Drizzle a little olive oil right on top. And there it is, my baba ganoush. This is excellent with falafel. It's great with just some pita or some vegetables dipped in it. Absolutely delicious. Kind of pretty healthy too. So give it a shot, guys. Let me know if you try it. Delicious. So again, guys, thanks as always for joining me here on Getting Saucy with Chef Lynn. Check the description box for a link to the full written recipe. You can follow me across social media at Chef Lynn Wheeler, and my website is cheflynnwheeler.com. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you next time.